Hey YouTube, this is my first video on my first channel ever. Now I'm going to be creating a series of me restoring this 1968 Skidoo Super Alpine. I've gotten some of the parts masked off and ready to rattle can it, but it's looking pretty shabby. I took off the seat. It was just like a piece of plywood that was put on with hinges, and believe it or not, it has electric start. That's where a battery goes, and there's some of the terminals. Has the key up here. No battery, but I've got the little seat, like backrest, taken apart and painted. Plan on reupholstering everything and putting a seat on there. Here's the foam for the seat, the original foam. Cool thing about these sleds is that it has one ski in the front. I would assume it'd be really hard to steer. It's got a little crack in the fiberglass. It's a bummer. It has a Rotrax engine from Austria. Has a cylinder in the front and a cylinder in the back. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's there. Has 370 cc's, and it's a weird engine. Like the way they're laid is like that one's flat. Very cool, well, weird design. Like the exhaust is just a weird little tube. Track's looking pretty rough, but I mean, I can deal with that later. Let me see if I can find a used track. Well, yeah, I thought I'd make this video to introduce you all to the videos I'm going to be making. Peace.